Hey there, good morning. It's really not that dark, as you can see outside, but it's just dark in this room. But I got something in the mail. It's nice.
Do you want to stand in that?
TV? Camera. No touch though.
You gotta say, hello everybody. Welcome to Hume Build.
Bearing a lack of the chemistry, I'm really fucking with all of your energy. Highly pursue, but I don't let it get to me. They say the start of us might be the end of me. I don't read minds, but I see signs. Johnny and June, and we walking the line. Remember you.
Alrighty, today is Monday. All the camera problems. Alrighty, Monday, and we're doing this wall. And I got a nail gun. We're gonna use the nail gun for the first time, so let's just go on, jump into it. This is my first time using this rigid air compressor. From what I saw online from this one lady, she said to turn it on into weight, so. People getting a free show. Doing some window shopping. Hello. Hello. Yeah, that's cute. Alrighty. And that's supposed to do that. And then I plug in all this stuff. Cool. So there's that. And this is supposed to go to change the pressure here. So my gun is set for between 70 and 120. So I guess I'll go to 100. I guess I'll just click that in and then attach the gun. Then if you want to undo it, whoa, go like that. But I'm gonna put some nails in it, make sure I know what I'm doing before I stick myself. So we got some nails over here. These are 21 degrees, 2000 count, outdoor / galvanized, hot to galvanize, and 3 inches by 0.131. These are for framing. They're galvanized because I'm putting them in the pressure treated boards, so these won't rot out. They're also ringed, and that stays in the wood better, supposedly. I couldn't find galvanized without the ring, so I'm not sure if that's a normal thing or not. But anyways. There we go. So I just slid them in through here. And then drag that down to push it up. Whoa. And that button slicks it back up. Go with this. There. Alright, that should be good to test now. There's a cutie. What are you doing, Smiles? I wonder. You say hi? Nice. That's awesome.
And if I die, will you hold on? Will you hold on to me? And if I die, will you hold on? Will you hold on to me? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Another wall down. Part of a wall down anyways. I'm doing some sections of this long wall. It's 30 feet long. I don't have 30-foot base plates or top plates. I have 16 feet, but I also want to reduce the weight because I'm doing this by myself and I have to lift it up. So this first wall is about 8 feet long, 8.5, and then the rest of them will be about, I guess, 10 feet. And there's no more windows on this side of the house, so it should just be studs. Should fly through that once I get the base plates done. So we'll get to that soon and get to lifting up the wall soon, but I'm gonna go inside because, yeah, it's hot and getting hotter. All right, we got main guns here. Let's do it. Alrighty, good luck. Lord help us. Amen. So
Lift.
Lift.
Up and then kind of shimmy. Oh wait, I guess I don't have to be on the edge. I can.
yeah, you'll want to be like
Okay.
maybe there,
Yeah, yeah.
but we'll lift up and then shimmy it up,
Okay.
and then be careful not to go too far. Alright. Got it? Good?
Yeah.
So we're actually going to have to move this that way some?
This way?
Yeah, 1 more inch. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This is like the heaviest area. Alright, we're almost there. Just gotta push a little bit more. Yeah. Yep. Well, I think it's on. If we can just brace it and then, because it's like really close. Let me try that. So comfortable. Alrighty, we survived. We barely survived, that is. Oh man, that was rough. The anchor bolts didn't want to go into the bottom plate, even though I drilled it pretty good and checked it beforehand. Just a little bit tight, but it's done. We got 2 braces on it, so it should be good. Checked it a little, wiggled it, so pretty good. Thank you, Christy. Shout out Christy. Shout out wife. Alrighty, there's the dining area right there. 2 windows there, 2 windows there. We'll have a seat, a bench seat here. Then the dining room will be here, wall here, and then the living room will be all in this area. Woohoo! Oh, hey there. Well, I was just scrolling on my phone, got an email from Realm Home, which is today's sponsor. Realm Home has a free dashboard that allows you to evaluate your property, get insight into potential renovation projects, and even get some help on where to start with your renovation. Realm takes a lot of the stress out of doing renovations and trying to figure it out all by yourself. It cuts out a ton of time and energy wasted. And if you live in California, you can talk to an advisor, and an advisor will walk you step by step through the process of choosing a renovation, finding contractors, and making the most out of your money and out of your renovation. So check out Realm Home today. Alrighty, so we got that wall up. Next, it's gonna cut into this roof here. Oh, this is the garage, the existing garage. So I'm gonna have to cut off the, I always forget what those are called. The eaves, the overhangs, whatever. Cut all that stuff out, and then I can put up the walls. So, it's like 4 o'clock, I think. It's like 100 degrees out here, it's crazy hot. I'm in Texas if you don't know, so. Yeah. I took a nap earlier because I was so dead after this morning. It's technically my first day working on this. First full day. I had like a third/half of a day last week. Yeah. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like, give me a comment, let me know how my framing is. There's a little crooked spot right there. But yeah, besides that, looking pretty good. I'm excited. So we'll see y'all later, and I'll see you in the next video. See you out there. Those are very sharp.
Jesus, come briefly, dismiss me or keep me, just let me go home. She'll be burning a candle under the mantle in the evening.